Yeah, admin. Yeah. That's like friendship in time. What constitution have you? All of them. No, I haven't. I'm trying to get like. I'm not saying.